In this tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how you can create your own custom mockup template right inside Canva. It's a very simple tutorial, straightforward, so let's dive right in. Now we need an image to do this. I'll be using an image from my element. I'll be using this one. Now, I would like to point out that you cannot use a pro image to demonstrate this. You cannot use a pro image. Like if you select these images are free, you can't use a pro stock image in Canva. So it's either you use a free image from the element or you use your own image. You upload your image and then use it to create your custom mockup. So let's demonstrate this with this image. I'll go to my edit, scroll down to find mockup. So you can access mockup from here or you go to your apps to access it. So I'll click on mockup and here I have create a mockup template. So here is where you can generate your custom mockup template. I'll just click on it. So here I have two options to choose from. So this one is if it is the background that I want to add image to, then I can select this one, but I definitely would want to use this first one. I'll click on confirm. Now I have the option to insert my image, the image I want to mock up. So I'll go to my uploads and then select any design in my upload. I scroll through to find anyone. I can use image, I can use design. Let me see if I can. Okay, let's use this one because it's a portrait design. That's it. So this is how you can create your own custom mockup. So for those of you who don't know what mockup is, it's just a digital representation of your design. Now you can see how my design looks like. This is exactly what it will look like if I print it, if it becomes a hard copy. This is a soft copy of it and I'm representing it using this mockup. So if you want to create your own custom mockup, that's just the process, a very simple process. Just upload an image, a free image from the element or your own image, and then go to edit, access the mockup and create your own custom mockup. I hope you learned something in this tutorial. I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial. In case you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to do so. And also leave a comment. If there's any question you have regarding Canva, you can always drop it in the comment section and I'll be there to respond to you. Thank you once again and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.